Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Friday the 6th of July. And today we had pretty good gap down, and the market basically went sideways to down for the rest of the morning. We had one trade today which was successful. The maximum profit potential that we were working inside was 3.25 points or 13 ticks. Actual entries and exits, we made 5 points or 20 ticks. Definitely not too bad all in all. 5 points times 50 points, you're looking at $250 in a 2.5 hour period. Basically the trade, we watched the market bounce around up here, and around this area here we got short and we rode it down, taking profit on the downside. And from there, the market did come back up and it sold off, and we kind of just watched it do its thing after that. We got a nice trade, and I didn't really want to jump in and make a hasty trade. I wanted to try to make a trade that mattered, and the market was pretty choppy, and it did, you see it kind of did chop around a little bit, but it did keep moving lower. But it is what it is. We took our nice trade, and we'll look to make another trade, this coming week. So, anyway, with that, I encourage everyone to stop by and check out the website at www.businesswithtrading.com. Every day we do focus on the ES futures in the trading room. It's a lot of fun for me, and the members have a lot of fun with it as well. Focusing on one market gives us the ability to hone our skills, as well as learn one market rather than try to trade 20 markets, which unless you're a professional trader and you've been trading for many years, it's best just to stick with one market, learn how to trade it, and then add other ones as you go forward. A lot of people like to start with 10 or 20 markets, and it's just not feasible. But anyway, I encourage you to check out the website. I have a contact form on the upper right hand side. Also have a getting started page on the right hand side. A lot of good information there as well. With that, let's go ahead and check out the news for the coming week. And actually, change this a little bit. Okay. I'm actually recording the video. It's Sunday night at 10:21. Most not really interesting stuff happens on Sunday night. Anyway, let's look to the week. On Monday we have 11:55 FOMC member Williams speaking. No real news during the day on Monday. We do have ECB President Mario Draghi speaking. That should be interesting at 8:30. It's been in the, Europe's just been in the news, so that's why it's interesting. 3 o'clock we have consumer credit. The room's not going to be open, so who really cares? Tuesday we're looking at 10 o'clock. The IBD tip economic optimism number, looking for 46.9. 46.7 was the prior reading. Wednesday, looking for 8:30 in the morning trade balance, looking for negative 48.6, prior reading negative 50.1. Also 10 o'clock wholesale inventories, looking for 0.4%, prior reading was 0.6. And 10:30 crude oil inventories, negative 4.3 million was the prior reading. 1 o'clock a 10-year bond auction, 2 o'clock FOMC meeting minutes. That's going to be big because it's it's kind of going to drive the market after Thursday and Friday. Thursday we have at 8:30 unemployment claims, especially if that coincides with FOMC minutes. It's going to be interesting to see there. Unemployment claims looking for 379, prior is 374. Also at 8:30 import prices looking for negative 1.4, prior readings negative 1. At 10:30 we do have natural gas storage, 39 even billion. It was the prior reading. 1 o'clock Mario Draghi gets on this microphone again. 1 o'clock 30-year bond auction. 2 o'clock federal budget balance. 3:40 odd time. FOMC member Williams is going to speak. And Friday we have 8:30 PPI. Negative 0.5% is what we're looking for. -1 is the prior reading. We have core PPI. 0.3% was prior. Prior was 0.2, so we're looking for 0.3. 9:55 University of Michigan consumer sentiment, looking for 73.5. Prior reading was 73.2. Inflation expectations, prior reading was 3.1, and 120 FOMC member Lockhart is going to speak. So that's all the news for tomorrow. We do have quite a bit of stuff, so we'll look towards that. We definitely had a great Friday, and we look for a great week coming up. With that, everyone have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the markets. Thanks.